So Kruze and the sales flow system has absolutely changed the game for me. I mean, before this, I did have a business coach, and I thought that I was doing well because I was grinding and I was going really hard, and I felt like, I was pushing the ball uphill the entire time. Everyone can understand that. And so I was skeptical. I was I'm not sure about this before I joined on to Kruze's program. But the moment that I did, the support and the acceptance that I received from this bloke it's ridiculous. Like, I don't say, the game has been changed lightly. I'm generally the kind of person to be very slow to come to a decision and slow to pull the trigger. But the moment that I did, it quite literally changed the game. Now, I'm not going to say, if you're sitting on the fence, then just jump in. The truth of the matter is, if you're willing to work hard, then the sales flow system is the easiest, the most successful, and the most time-proven way of generating really good income by doing what you love. So, highly recommend Kruze. Jump on board if you're willing to do the work.